Since the end of the 19th century, movements have been super easy because of the invention of this super machine, cars. And in 2022, it is estimated that over 1.4 billion cars are in operation worldwide. But with this come disasters and hazards that have claimed millions of lives and properties. The world is dying. Come to think of it, for every 1 minute a petrol engine car is in operation, the carbon discharge can turn a 75 cl pure water into this. This is because petrol engine cars burn fuel to generate energy, resulting to things like this. This happened in Australia around October 2019 to January 2020. Like, it really burned through millions of acres of land. Like, billions of animals were displaced and lives were lost from this. Just check. All these are the unconscious effects of climate change. And yes, we need to transport from one place to the other, and that is why electric vehicles should be adopted, because it uses green energy, which is eco-friendly. With it, we can almost say goodbye to carbon emission. Engineers and scientists have been working really hard to make this possible. Car manufacturers should start switching to electric vehicles. Government should also encourage people to use electric cars with incentives. And in Vietnam, VinFast became the first car manufacturer in the world to end the production of petrol engine vehicles. They made this move to focus on developing electric vehicles. This is a progressive decision to deliver a sustainable future for everyone. And in deciding the vision of your brand, don't just focus on making customers happy, even if that is very important. Make sure you also focus on influencing your industry and making the world a better place.